Today, we're diving into SeaArt AI, an AI art generator that promises to turn your ideas into stunning visuals. But does it really deliver? Let's explore what it brings to the table and whether it's worth your time and money. SeaArt AI is designed to help users create unique artwork quickly and easily, leveraging artificial intelligence to generate images based on text prompts. The interface is quite user-friendly, which is a plus for beginners who might not have any design experience. You simply type in what you envision and the AI takes it from there, providing a range of styles and options to choose from. What stands out right away is the variety of art styles available, everything from abstract to more traditional looks. However, while the initial results can be impressive, there's a noticeable inconsistency in quality. Sometimes the outputs are breathtaking, but other times they can feel a bit off. One area that feels unclear is the pricing structure. While there's mention of different tiers, the specifics aren't very transparent. This lack of clarity could be frustrating for potential users trying to gauge the value before committing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, SeaArt AI is incredibly easy to use, making it accessible for anyone, whether you're an artist or just looking to create something fun. The variety of styles is also a strong point, allowing for creative freedom. However, there are some downsides. The inconsistent quality of outputs can be disappointing, especially if you're looking for something polished. Additionally, the unclear pricing model raises trust concerns. Potential users might hesitate to invest without knowing exactly what they're getting into. If you're a casual user looking for a fun way to generate art, SeaArt AI might be worth exploring, but for serious artists or professionals, it may not fully meet your expectations. In conclusion, SeaArt AI is a solid option for those looking to dabble in AI-generated art without much hassle. However, if you're serious about quality or need transparent pricing, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but manage your expectations as you explore its capabilities.